Hi everyone and welcome to Colors of Happiness, and today I'm going to be showing you how to convert fractions, how to simplify fractions. So here are some basic things before we start. Fractions like 6/3, which have a numerator bigger than the denominator, equal an improper fraction. And improper fractions can be easily simplified into simpler fractions. And sometimes when you simplify them, you are going to get mixed numbers, which means like a whole with a fraction, like 1 2/3 or 3 4/5, something like that. All right, let's get started. And also, before we continue, on our channel, we post polls under the community section on our channel. You will find some polls that we post every day or every 2 days. We try to post one very often, so make sure to check that out if you haven't yet. Okay, so let's get on with the lesson. We are going to be using the example 6/3 and simplify it. So first, just write your fraction and then put another fraction bar over here. And the way that we're going to do this is we have to find a common number between 6 and 3 to divide it with. And I know that 3 can be divided by 3, so let's do that. And that will give us 1. And we know that 6 divided by 3 will give us 2. And we know that 2 over 1 equals 2, because 2 divided by 1 equals 2. So that is how we would simplify 6/3. Now let's do an example that could be a little more tricky. We are going to use the example 6/5. Now we are just going to do the same. We're going to put a fraction line here again. There's no whole numbers that we can divide either of these numbers by. There's not really any friendly numbers here. So what we're going to do is we're going to think about how many times 5 goes into 6. Well, when we look into 6, we know that 5 can only go in once. So let's write a 1 right here. But then how many do we have left over? Well, 5 can go into 6 one time, but then there's 1 remaining. And then we can just add this 5 because it is the denominator, and now we have our answer, 1 1/5. Because 6 can go into 5 one time with 1/5 remaining. So it's not exactly 1, but it's 1 1/5. And this is just some decimals. 1 1/5 is also equal to 1.20 because 1/5, we can simplify that into a decimal, but actually that's for another lesson because we were just simplifying fractions today. But 1 1/5 is equal to 1.20 because 1/5 is equal to 0.20, but I'll do a video teaching how to simplify fractions into decimals in a different video. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye. Make sure to subscribe and like the video.